Hey there, welcome to Joel's cooking show, not Bob's Pizza, but Joel's cooking show tonight. And tonight, I think we're gonna be making some pizza. Check out this crust, guys. It's gonna be half a pizza tonight, and it's a smiley face, just for heck's sake. And yeah, that's what the bread looks like, really good bread. So now, we're probably gonna be adding some Bertolli to the badass freaking pizza we're making here. And it's this kind of Bertolli. It's really good. I'd advise making pizza with this one. And show you how to do it. Kind of dap it around there like that. All over the pizza like that. You make such good pizza with this shit. I'm not even kidding. Alright. And about that much for tonight. And we got special, for once, cheap premium cheese from Fred Meyer's. Yeah. So that stuff's really good. This is the kind of cheese we got. Oh, this stuff is even the best on pizza. And we got real pepperoni. The real stuff. Alright, guys. This oven's going to be started up here. You're going to want to put the oven at I cook them at 370, but not for too long. And, yeah, now I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the pizza. Okay. So yeah, you're going to want to take a spoon, and you're going to want to slowly but surely press down on it, but barely. Kind of slide it around in circles on the pizza a little bit. Then smooth it out, and then slide it around. This even got tomato chunks in the Bertolli. Dude, this is going to be such a good pizza, regardless of how much sauce there is on here. Alright. You smooth it out like I'm doing. You can perfectly see how I'm doing it. Alright. Alright, guys. Cool. Now you're going to want to add the cheese. Unless you're a pepperoni guy and you add the pepperoni first. And then, man, Joel's nighttime cooking videos are getting better and better. We're already making pizza. Alright. Oh, this cheese is so good. And lightly, with the spoon again, just press down and push it in. There you go. This cheese is so good. It smells so good. Oven's going to be done preheating soon here. Oh man, this stuff's hard to open. Good thing we got my trusted scissors. Alright. you're gonna take like a huge double handful of pepperoni and kind of just double it on the pizza in little tiny slices like that. Yeah, so when the oven crisps, you'll have a lot of pepperoni and cheese on the pizza melted, and it's gonna be super duper good, guys, for YouTube. I guarantee it. It's gonna be one of Joel's epic freaking cooking videos, guys. I hope you stay tuned for more, and I'm flipping them on there right now for you. Alright, it looks circular. I'm gonna show you an up view for like a minute here almost of this beautiful pizza I'm making. Alright. There we go. Now that, my friends, looks like some good, and I mean some good ass pizza. Alright. Yeah, isn't that fine and sexy? Got all the cheese. Oh my goodness, some good sauce on there, smoothed out, lots of it, just enough. And we got pepperoni stacked on top of the cheese that's gonna melt under it. Oh, this is gonna be such good pizza tonight, guys. Almost wish people were coming over. Alright. That's what I'm talking about. Especially this shit for YouTube. Alright. We got pepperoni. And the thing I like about pepperoni is that even though the other ones taste slimy as hell, these ones are really good, and they have just the right amount of oil on them, and they taste super good in the oven, dude. They crisp up like that, and they taste super good. If you don't burn it, it tastes super good. Alright, guys, and we should definitely add like a tiny bit, like some droplets of lemon juice on the pizza. It makes it taste like that extra kick of flavor while you're eating it. It's super good if you just add tiny droplets like this on top of the pepperoni like that. Ooh, it's gonna be super good, guys. Okay, I know my haircut looks ridiculous. I hate this shit. I'm gonna be growing this shit out permanently from now on. I look like I came out of a really bad 80s movie. Especially with the collar like that. It looks super sick on this side. Right here, it looks like I really came out of really bad 80s movies, bro. Isn't that fucking beautiful? Beautiful, my fucking people. Beautifully made, freaking awesome ass pizza. And you know what I'm gonna use for the resistant for the pizza? We got freaking, you won't believe it, we got actual pepper. We got this bread dip Sicilian shit for the pizza. Oh, the sauce they're making stuff. Oh man, you gotta check this out. That's what it looks like. Oh man, dude. Sprinkle that on the pizza. Like just like that, and leave it there. Oh man, this is gonna be so good tonight. We got red pepper flakes for adding on top of your pizza. What else do we have here? Oh yeah. Like I said, the a la resistant. We have the freaking Parmesan and Romano cheese. Oh, dude, this shit is super good. From Signature Select. Alright. I'm gonna just dump a little bit on each side of the pepperoni and on the edges a tiny bit. And we're good, bro. This pizza's gonna come out so freaking good. Man, I'm serious. Double thumbs up right now for YouTube. Wink for Joel's Pizza and Joel's cooking right now. That's what I'm talking about. The kind of shit I'm going to be making for YouTube. Next, stay tuned next week for Joel's Barbecue Pizza. It's going to be a lot bigger than this one. At least like 1.5 inches bigger. Oh, dude, hey, speak of the devil. The frickin' oven is done now. It's been 10 minutes into the video just about right now. And now Joel's gonna be getting to the cooking of the pizza part of the video. Heck yeah, guys. Some stoner stuff.